One thing you don't want to do is use personal pronouns in formal writing. For instance, take a look at this one. I believe that Macbeth was more evil than his wife. You don't want to use that I. All right, you want to get rid of that and rewrite this sentence. And that may not be as hard to do as you think. And there you go. Macbeth was more evil than his wife. So again, it says the same thing and the same meaning without using I. Take a look at this example right here. My essay will focus on Big Brother's use of propaganda to control the minds of his citizens. Once again, we don't want to use the my. We want to get rid of that. Sometimes you may have to play around with the wording a little more. For this one, we want to get rid of that. So Big Brother uses propaganda. There we go. Big Brother uses propaganda to control the minds of his citizens. And there you go. That's how you do it.